If you want to try a fun new cocktail this summer, this one is it. It is a watermelon lemonade slushie, and I do make it a little bit like a margarita, which is why I salt the rim first. Any kosher salt will work, but this is in fact margarita salt. All I did was run a little lemon around the rim so the salt would stick. Then I set the glasses aside. I seriously had this watermelon freezing in my freezer for like a week, so anytime you have a large watermelon, you could put some aside for this. I used 6 cups of frozen diced watermelon, put that in a blender. Then I made a simple syrup with 3 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons hot water. A quick stir dissolves the sugar, then add it to the blender. Half a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice goes in, 3/4 cup tequila, and 1/4 cup triple sec. I pop the mix on the blender and it comes together on low to medium setting in about 20 seconds. Just to thicken it up, I like to add some ice, about a cup or cup and a half. Blend it again till smooth, and then it's time to serve. You can add some lemon slices, watermelon slices, even a strawberry right on top. These are so cute and they're definitely best enjoyed frozen, so drink up. If you love easy recipes like this, don't forget to get on my Foodie Fridays email list. Delicious.